Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I thank the honourable member for this question. The Higher Education Commission established the Higher Education Review, the External Review Committee, which was tasked to conduct the institutional reviews of the three major universities: Fiji National University, the University of the South Pacific, and the University of Fiji, to assess the quality of their programs and operations against approved quality assurance standards. Mr. Speaker, sir, the External Review Committee has completed its initial review report, which contained a number of findings. The Commission has raised serious concerns about the citing the report's integrities, also the citing number of grey areas, including the lack of clear methodologies in terms of